Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to transfer from Yoursafe to bank account. So let's get into the video. So firstly go to yoursafe.com and then log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so I'm logged into mine and I'm on my homepage. So I'm going to hit on this transfer money option. So click on the transfer money option, and then once I reach this page here, so I'm going to transfer to my bank account, to a bank account. So I'm going to select this option here, international wire or Swift. So I'm going to click that so that I can send money to any bank account worldwide. So now all I have to do is simply fill in my beneficiary name and then the address details and then the amount to be transferred and the currency, which currency I'm going to send. And then here I'm going to just plug in the details of my bank account details. So whatever whoever the recipient is, so type in the details of that bank account that I'm going to send it to. So I'm going to do that, and then once that's done, then I'll hit on confirm and then just review the whole transaction and data, and then hit on done, and that's pretty much it is. I'll be able to transfer from Yoursafe to any bank account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.